This is Steve with Rocky Mountain ATV EMC, and today I'm going to show you how to service the air filter on this 2013 Teryx4. Just like changing your oil, servicing your air filter is just as important, and it's easy to do. Kawasaki recommends servicing your air filter at the first 20 hours or 120 miles, and then every 50 hours or 600 miles thereafter. So let's show you how to do that. To do this job, you're going to need some contact cleaner rags, safety glasses, and rubber gloves. We are replacing the stock filter with this serviceable type where we can clean it and reuse it next time, hopefully to save us a little money. You'll also need a copy of your OEM service manual for more information, proper procedures, and specs. First, let's start by lifting the hood up. Next, let's remove the airbox lid. And then the air filter. Next, let's take some contact cleaner and a rag and clean out the airbox. Now, because we're replacing this with a foam type, they require foam air filter oil. You need to saturate all the foam on here, and that will catch all of the dirt and debris so that the filtration is correct. And you want to do this over a garbage can as well, because you'll have a little bit of excess. Now, before we install this, a quick tip. This is the sealing surface of our filter. Some guys like to put a little grease right here to ensure the sealing, but if you have sufficient oil on there, you don't really need it. Now that we have the air filter installed, let's install the airbox lid and clips. And lastly, the hood. And now let's start the machine and make sure it runs properly. And that's it. That's all there is to servicing your air filter on your Kawasaki Teryx. If you need more information on cleaning and oiling your air filter, check out our video on that as well. If you need more parts, apparel, and accessories, come check us out at RockyMountainATVMC.com. And if you like what you see here, subscribe to our YouTube channel. This is Steve. We'll catch you next time.